Welcome to our channel. Today we how to scale with SendGrid step by step clearly. Create a SendGrid account if you don't already have one. Log in to your SendGrid dashboard. Navigate to the API Keys section. Click on Create API Key. Give your API key a descriptive name. Select the necessary permissions for your API key. Generate the API key and store it securely. Integrate SendGrid with your application using the API key. Install the SendGrid library for your programming language. For Node.js, use the command npm install at sendgrid/mail. For Python, use pip install SendGrid. Configure your SendGrid library with your API key. For Node.js, write sgmail.setAPI process.env.send. For Python, use sg equals SendGrid API client, os.environ.get. Create a function to send emails through SendGrid. Include the recipient's email, subject, and body in your email function. Test sending a sample email to your own address. Monitor the email process to ensure successful delivery. Log into your SendGrid account to track email statistics. Utilize the dashboard to review delivery rates and engagement metrics. Implement more advanced features like templates and dynamic content. Explore the use of webhooks for improved event management. Optimize your email campaigns based on analytics and feedback. Regularly update your email list and remove inactive users. Continue to refine your messaging and strategies for scalability. Leverage SendGrid's support and documentation for enhanced guidance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.